Let's round out our coverage of finding documents by looking at sort, skip, and limit. So in this example, I insert 100 documents, 10 of each with each value of I from 0 to 9. And then inside that, I'll have j of 0 to 9. So you'll end up with like 100 documents with I of 0, and then j 0, 1, 2, 3 through 9, and then I of 1, j 0 through 9, and so forth. Now let's look at how to sort them. So let's say we want these sorted by I ascending. So I'll create a sort document, and again we'll do it both ways. First with raw document and then with the builder. So let's sort by I, and the way you specify, as you might remember from the shell, ascending sort is with a 1. So that's my sort criteria. Now we have to add it to our find, like so. And then we'll run the program and print out the results. And you can see that the I's are sorted. All the 0s, then the 1s, then the 2s, and the 3s. The J's are also sorted, but that's just because it's returning them in insertion order. But we can make that explicit by adding another criteria for J. And you can see that the J's are now sorted ascending for each unique value of I. And we can reverse this by adding a negative. Now you can see they're sorted, all the I's. You start with the 0s because that's ascending, and then the J's go descending, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they start over at I of 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the J's. So very simple. And now I'll show you how to do it with the builders. So the builder is called sorts, and if you're only doing ascending or descending, you can just use the ascending method, which is sorts.ascending, but we can statically import that. We can say ascending I, and that will again sort by I ascending, as you can see. But then to add descending by j, we're going to use the order by method, which is how you combine different sort criteria. And again, order by is a static method in the sorts class. And now you can see again that I is going up, while j goes down for each value of I. Now as I said, if you want to make everything ascending, or let's do descending this time, we'll do descending by j and then by I. You'll see now the j's are going down, but all together, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then for each unique value of j, the i's are also descending. So that's showing a compound sort. And finally, let's show skip and limit. So limit is used more, so I'll show you that first. Let's say we want only the first 50 results. We just say limit 50. And take my word for it that it's 50 results. You can see that we got through the 5, so that's half of them. And if we want to skip, say, the first 20, just add a skip in there. And you'll see now we start with the 7s because we skipped all the 9s and the 8s, which is 20. We go 7s down to the 3s. So that's sort, skip, and limit. And I'll show you what this looks like in the shell. As you might expect, we have sort j -1, I -1, and there's our skip, and here's our limit. So that's sort, skip, and limit.